Good morning, everyone. So it is like 5 a.m. I've been getting up early the last like week or so to create videos before the people come to work rebuilding the drywall and, texturing and all that stuff that needed to happen after the little smallest amount of water damage that just is so annoying out here at the house. And so I've been getting up super early to make videos, and today is actually supposed to be Spellbinders day 9, but I did day 9 already from the Stitchmas Advent Calendar when I did day 3, so I'm going to take a break today, because I was like, I keep waking up early to make videos, but I'm just exhausted right now. It's a lot, you get tired. But, just kind of sitting here while people are hammering and using air compressors and all that stuff. It's just a lot of noise. It just like stresses you out all day, even though they're doing great work, which I love. I love clean work, and that's what they're doing, and it looks really great. So I'm happy. Probably just a couple more days today. Hopefully they'll finish up texturing and paint. I don't know if they do it in the same day, but supposedly it's going to take 4 days. So this will be day 3. So we'll see what happens today. But I wanted to mention quickly, I've been just kind of focusing on those videos. I haven't really said hi and just checking in with you guys. So I do have a couple things from HSN. If they're available, I'll link them in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. But that's about all I have, and to be honest, I don't even know what these are. I have a feeling one thing is something that like took a trip around the world instead of just coming here, because it's from the craft day, and it was just taking forever, and I totally forgot about it, so I stopped tracking it a week or so ago. I don't even know, longer than that. So I'm thinking that might be one of the items. The other one may be an auto ship, maybe it's something I ordered. I don't really know. But I did want to mention that HSN is having 750 craft cart since the 18th, which I couldn't pop in here and say that, but the 18th, 19th, 20th ends today, basically at the end of the day of the 20th. And today Miranda has school pictures, and today Doran has back to school night. So like I was like, I need to make this quick video, and then you'll have the info, and I'll check out what's in this little haul that I have in here, and then I'll see you again tomorrow, guys, because yeah, I'm gonna go lay back on the couch. So let's see here. So they're having a craft cart, and I guess part of it is they did some little, like, I don't know if it was online or what, with Anna Griffin and maybe Diamond Press. I don't remember, or maybe everybody has a little something about it. But what they did is they're featuring more of the Diamond Press like Halloween craft kits that they brought out pretty much for the last craft day. I was looking at the pricing; it all looks the same. But if you feel like anything has dropped in price, I'll link to go right to the Diamond Press area, and then also to just the craft page in HSN. And people ask me all the time with the links, it has to be to the specific item. No, you can use my generic link every day, all the day, all those links that I have already listed in the description box, and that just means that you popped over from my site, and it doesn't matter if you bought well, most of them, they just go to the site. So you don't have to have a specific link for a specific item for it to be an affiliate relationship. Okay, so thank you guys for asking about that and using them. So I'll link right to like the craft page on HSN too in the description box. And so they're focusing on like some Diamond Press Halloween sets, and like I said, I feel like they're the same price from the craft day, but if not, you can check it out and get your price match if they're lower in price. But I feel like it was about right, like whatever they had presented less than a month ago. And then Anna Griffin brought back a ton of her like Christmas dies, which I already have pretty much all of them, like the present stack, or like the jingle bell looking ones, or like concentric dies and like papers and all these things, which I already have. So but she did bring out a whole bunch of those. And then Craft's Companion, the Hello Fall, the seasonal, their what's it called, the Today Special. I think when they featured it was $60 roughly, right? So then it went to $100, and if you bought it anytime after it was a Today Special and you paid the $100, it is back right now $25 off. So I think it's like $75 right now. So if you bought it after the craft day, like the Today Special, and you paid that full price, you can definitely get a price match of that $25. You can just chat with them online or give them a call. Or if you're interested in it and didn't want to pay the $100, but you'll pay the $75, I'll have those linked in the description box too, because I was playing with them afterwards, and people were picking it up or asking about it at least. So it's not auto ship anymore. It's just the first iteration, which would be like the fall or the winter kit. So they have that on special right now too. Yes, so this is definitely one that took a trip around the world, because I was waiting for it and I thought it was so cute, and then it shipped, and then it was just like weather, and then I never saw it again. So let's see. This is a little bundle from Creative Expressions. It actually came from I was gonna say the people, Ecstasy Crafts. They're usually the ones. So you can go to Ecstasy Crafts website. I have a link there. I have a discount code, so 10% off whenever you use my link or use the code. But they also pretty much do the stocking and like send out, I guess, warehousing of the things that you might find at HSN that are like British or from like Scandinavian or any of those kind of things. I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, not everything, but a lot of them. A lot of the items do actually come from Ecstasy Crafts anyway. So you can get them at HSN or you can go to Ecstasy Crafts themselves. But either way, it comes out of like, I think, New York and then maybe Canada at some point, but mostly New York. So the weather was supposedly keeping this stuff behind, even though I got some other stuff from them, so I don't know. But this is so cute because this is a Cosmic Shimmer texture paste, and I think it's glow in the dark, yeah. Which I had always thought about. I'm like, do they have glow in the dark stuff? I know you can find glow in the dark lots of different items, but this is pretty cool. So it's basically a paste, and it glows in the dark. So there's that. The little craft eyes, the little pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, you know, sitting on a fence. I love the color of the Creative Expressions dies. They're so cool. So these little detailed guys in the background, and then these little skeletons. I mean, look at this guy. What is he even doing? He's cute little dance. I don't even know, but I just had to get it for that pose right there. And then we have all these little guys, and there they are. I'll give you a quick measurement on those guys, just if you're curious. I don't know if this kit is still in stock. That's the only thing. I think even when I bought it, it was on its way out. So 3 inches or so, you know, 2.5-ish. Almost 3.5 on that guy. So a good size, super cute. This one says largest die is 5.7 by 1.3. That gives you any idea. And then there's this little box here. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy to be done with this. The roofers are done, except for there's a couple little areas that I was just like, I don't really like the way that looks. So they're gonna come back. Another fun thing is they left their porta potty here, and I keep contacting the guy. And he's like, "Oh, you know, over the weekend they finished on Thursday. It's Wednesday now, isn't it? Yeah, still here." I'm like, "Can we get this porta potty done? That'd be great. That would be wonderful." So anyway. But I also have some other areas of concern, so hopefully they'll finish that. And that's not even anything loud. It's just a couple things that I was just like, can you fill that in? And I don't like the way that looks over there. So we'll see. And then just be done with this drywall stuff. It is a nice new fresh coat of paint though, because I did change the color slightly where they're painting, because I was just like, I don't want the color match thing. It hardly ever works. So I just picked a new color that I like that's still like tealish. So that's what they're doing. So that's nice. Winter cross stitch, you guys. So this is the Diamond Press. What's it called? Auto ship. So a lot of the cross stitches came out, remember maybe a week ago, a couple weeks ago, when I had made a video letting you guys know that there's a lot of the auto ships available. But this one I don't think is there yet, because it's brand new. And look at the little, oh my gosh, I love the ring, the hoop. It has like scallops, so scallop circles, so 2 different sizes there. You have your little, it looks like an acorn, which I am just in love with, acorn designs. Let me see, this guy, the biggest one, is like almost 4.25 from top to bottom, and then just under 4 inches in the other direction. The other one's obviously smaller. You have your bits to make it hoopy. I love the sprigs in this. I mean, this is little berries, holly leaves. I am loving it. Let me open this up right quick, just to give you an idea of what this is kind of about. So of course it comes with a marquee cutting folder. If you don't have a marquee, don't worry about this. You just run the dies through any machine you have that cuts thin metal dies. And then, oh yeah, so we have some wood grain. Looks like we have maybe a little Santa Claus something. I don't know. I was thinking it was a hat, but I don't see how that would be a hat. We'll see. I guess I should have looked at the inspo first. I love the little gloves. They're going to have detail, I'm sure. Look at the little deer. How cute. So you can make like your own little design. Let it snow. Merry and bright. Let's check this guy out. So there you go. Oh, okay, that's what the wood grain. So if you want to do wood grain for this little guy, that's cute. So you can definitely use that like on your other sets too, right? I mean, the other ones are very thin, so it might be hard to tell that it's wood grain. So that's probably why they reserved it for this set. But you have your acorn, very stylized. Again, berries, sprigs, and twigs and things. Oh, look at the little house. So it does say stamp with gentle pressure for a clear image, and that's good because what happens is if you push down a lot, it gets like kind of thick, like the image. So if you just give it a little kiss, it'll just be the little X's and they'll be dainty and it will look really good. So we have those two. Look at this, like a little sprig with a little tip there, little holly bunch. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, that's what it is. It's a cardinal. I was like, it looks like a Santa Claus hat because the way it was but I was like, but I don't see how. So it's a little cardinal, and then the gloves with the intarsia knitting, or however you want to call that, which is basically intarsia. Winter Wishes, Merry and Bright, really cute. And then look at some inspo there. Oh, I love that, doubling up. I never thought to do that. Maybe when I tutorialize it, we'll do that. All right, guys, well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for being patient with me. I mean, I know I have the videos for you, and they've been coming out. But I haven't really been doing much else, and usually you guys are used to maybe 2 or 3 videos from me every day, and I have had some videos where I had 2 or 3 with the shorts and stuff. But we will pick up tomorrow with day 10. All right, guys. So again, I'll link in the description box. Have the info for the 750 cart on HSN. And before I go, and then just a reminder of the new launches there with Diamond Press. How cute and unexpected were those? I mean, just some of the cutest designs. The butterflies, oh my goodness, the takeout box, you guys. I love the little frames. Everything's just so cute. I mean, I just can't even. So I don't know how long they're doing the free stamping mat with the $100 purchase, but you guys know you can always use my code VCDP for 10% off your purchase. And let me know what you picked up. I've heard from some of you guys. I know they're really quick in shipping and things usually, so let me know if you're even receiving your items, right? So I will have those links in the description box also, again, with my discount code. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.